Hi everyone, welcome to another video lesson in our unit Astronomy, Earth's Movement. Here is your focus question. How does Earth move in space? Your lesson objective is, I can explain how the Earth's axis changes our perception of light and darkness. Here is your language objective. I can tell, write, or use pictures to show how the Earth's axis changes our perception of light and darkness. Before we read, let's think. What do you already know about the sun? What do you already know about the Earth? First, you will make a list of what you know. Then, you will share your list with a partner. You can pause the video now to complete this activity. When you are finished, you may press play to continue the video. Here is some target vocabulary we will see as we are reading. Axis. This is the imaginary line around which a certain body mass, in this example, the Earth, rotates around. Rotation. This is the movement of an object that goes around and around like in a circle. Spherical. This is a three-dimensional shape like a ball, and in this case, the Earth. It's not flat like a circle. Perception. This is the way that we understand and we interpret something. In this example, you see where the 6 may look like, this form may look like a 6 to one person, but a 9 to the other. Depending on where you are standing, this is your perception of the object. In the same way, we are going to look at how light and darkness are perceived depending on where you are on the Earth. Earth's movement. Focus on where you are right now as you read this. Are you moving? Yes, you are. Even if you are very still, Earth is moving, so you are moving with it. Since you are so small compared to Earth's size, you cannot feel Earth moving. When you look at the night sky, it seems like the stars are slowly moving. Think about a merry-go-round. Are the trees, benches, and playground moving? No, you are moving. In the same way, the sun and stars seem to move across the sky in a day or night. Earth is spinning, so it makes the sun and stars seem as if they are moving. Earth rotates on its axis. A merry-go-round is a flat shape that spins, like you saw in the GIF earlier. Earth is a sphere, the shape of a ball. Earth rotates around its axis, and we know that's the invisible line that goes through it. An axis is an imaginary line through the center of an object. The axis is a fixed point of reference. What you see in the sky depends on where you are on Earth's spherical surface. Two people on opposite sides of Earth's surface see different things when they look to the sky at the same time. One sees night and one sees day. What you see in the sky changes, and it depends on which direction your location on the Earth is facing. Earth makes one full rotation around its axis every 24 hours. This makes one day. Here is your question. Why do people on different sides of the Earth see either day or night? You can start your answer with, people on different sides of the Earth see either day or night because. You can pause the video now so that you may answer this question. When you are finished answering the question, you may press play to continue. People on different sides of the Earth see either day or night because the Earth is always spinning on its axis. This rotation causes the Earth to have sunlight for half of the rotation and darkness for the other half of the rotation. Look at this diagram. It shows how the sun seems to be moving across the Earth in one day, We know that the sun is not moving, but that the Earth is rotating. The sun passes across the sky from east to west, but it makes a curved arc that depends on the different seasons and your location on the Earth. During winter, the days seem shorter because the sun's arc hits the Earth's surface at a lower angle. And during the summer, the days feel longer because the sun's arc hits the Earth's surface at a higher angle. Now you may move on to the activity that your teacher has provided for you, or you may complete one of the two exit slips for today. The question you will answer is, how does the rotation on the Earth's axis change our perception of light and darkness? You can use words from the word bank such as axis, orbits, rotation, light, darkness, and sphere. You can also use these sentence starters. The Earth, blank, around the sun, so the Earth's axis causes, since the Earth, blank, the light from the sun, the Earth changes our perception of light and darkness by or when. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye, everyone.